For the recipe, I have used here some boiled potatoes with the skin, and now I will peel off the skin and I will grate with a grater. You can mash the potato with hands too, but for this we need a smooth paste, so I'm going to grate it first, and then with the help of a strainer I'm going to take the potato and strain again with the help of a hand or a spatula. This will help the potato to give a smooth texture, and this is a very important thing. You need to strain it with the help of a strainer. Take a thick strainer so that the potato easily comes out from the strainer. This is a snack recipe. You can easily store it in the freezer for about a month or more than that, and whenever necessary you can serve it. And you can, this is a basic potato shots which I have shared, and you can stuff it with some cheese and it will become a cheesy potato shots. I'm almost done. I got a smooth paste. See, to make the fluffy potato bites you need this kind of smooth paste, and I will discard this. And now I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of Italian herbs, mixed herbs, or you can use oregano, parsley, rosemary into it, and add chili flakes according to your taste, and garlic powder or garlic paste into it, and mix it well. After mixing it well, for binding I'm going to add here half a cup of maida or all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of rice flour for crispiness into it, and mix it well. To make it fluffy and crispy, you need to knead it well, all these ingredients. To knead it well, I'm going to transfer this into a plate so that I can knead it well, and you need to knead it and make a dough with this, and then I'm going to rest it in the freezer for around about 15 to 20 minutes to get it stiff. Between, I'll add some oil into it and grease it and cover it and rest it in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I have taken out from the freezer, and now see it's become stiff, and now you can easily roll it and give a shape according to your choice. So I'll grease my hands with some oil, and then I'm going to make a roll. I'm going to make a long roll and cut into pieces round about half an inch of size. I'm going to keep it, see the way I'm doing it, and you can shape it according to your choice. You can make smiley with this too, anything, any design of your choice. I'm cutting it round about half to 1 inch of size, and I will keep it in the plate, and I will dust it with some maida or all-purpose flour, and I'm just giving a shape with the help of a fork. Very easily you can do it. It's quick and easy snack recipe. In this moment you can dust a little more of corn flour and maida and store it in a Ziploc bag in the freezer for about a month or more than that, and use it when necessary. And now I have heated a pan, and oil is hot but not too hot. See, it should a small bubble should come out from all the sides, but not too much hot. And I'm going to fry it in slow flame till it becomes golden brown. Don't fry it in high flame, just in low medium flame, and fry it till it's golden brown in color. I have shared the basic recipe of potato shots. You can use grated cheese inside it and stuff it with grated cheese and make a cheesy potato shot. My potato shots have been fried. I'll fry it till golden brown, and now see, it's been done, and I'm taking it out and I will serve. And enjoy this recipe, and do let me know in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.